Welcome to the lecture series of Laplace transform. Today we are going to see a problem under periodic function. Look at the question. Find the Laplace transform of f of t equal to 1, 0 less than t less than a by 2, minus 1, a by 2 less than t less than a, and f of a plus t equal to f of t. So here it is given f of a plus t equal to f of t. That means the f of t is a periodic function with the period a. And here also you can look at the limit, which is 0 to a, and 0 to a is split as 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a. So now look at the solution. L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus, the period is 2. So this can be written as e power minus as with the limit 0 to a, e power minus st f of t dt. Okay. So here a is the period. Since f of t is a periodic function with period a. Okay. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. The limit 0 to a can be split as 0 to a by 2 and a by 2 to a. So 0 to a by 2 e power minus st f of t is 1. Okay. 1 into dt plus integral a by 2 to a e power minus st f of t is minus 1 into dt. So which is equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. Okay. Integral 0 to a by 2 e power minus st dt plus integral a by 2 to a, this is nothing but minus. So minus e power minus st into dt. So now we are going to integrate this term. So directly we can write the integration. So 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. E power minus st integration is e power minus st divided by minus s with the limit 0 to a by 2. And here it is minus, we can take the minus outside. Integration of e power minus st, e power minus st by minus s with the limit a by 2 to a. Applying the limit e power minus limit for t. So e power minus s a by 2 divided by minus s, lower limit is 0. So e power 0 is 1 and minus of minus plus. First term is over. Here minus into minus plus. Upper limit is a. So e power minus s a divided by s, and the lower limit is a by 2. So minus e power minus as by 2 divided by s. So now we have applied the limit for both the terms. Now look at this. 1 by 1 minus e power minus as. Here it is 1 and e power minus as, and here it is minus sa by 2 and here also minus sa by 2. How many times? 2 times. So this can be written as 2 times of e power minus sa by 2. For all the terms we have the denominator is s. Okay. So now this can be written as 1 by s into, and this one is nothing but a minus b the whole square. So 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 the whole square divided by 1 minus e power minus as. Okay, and this can be written as 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus sa by 2 the whole square. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus e power as by 2 into 1 minus e power as by 2. So now we can cancel these two terms. So write the remaining 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus as by 2 divided by 1 plus e power as by 2. Okay, and which is equal to again 1 by s 1 minus, this can be written as e power minus as by 4 into e power minus as by 4 divided by, and this term also 1 plus e power as by 4 into e power, here one minus is left, e power minus as by 4. Okay, and the previous lecture video we have discussed how to simplify this 1 and this terms and all. If you follow that, you can follow that, or otherwise we can write the result directly, and this can be written as 1 by s into 1 minus e power minus as by 4 So directly we can write the result, or otherwise if you want we can simplify this. So 1 minus e power minus as by 4, this can be written as divided by e power as by 4, and here also 1 plus e power minus as by 4 divided by e power as by 4. Either if you want you can write this one, or otherwise directly we can write the result as 1 by s into e power as by 4 minus e power minus as by 4 divided by e power as by 4 plus e power as by 4, e power x minus e power x divided by e power x plus e power x. Result is tan hx. So which is equal to 1 by s tan h. In the place of x we are having as by 4. So L of f of t equal to, so this is the answer. If it possible you try to simplify this, or otherwise better you write the result directly. Okay, thank you for watching.